चाहे संघर्ष हो, दुश्मन हो, करीब करीब सिंगल हो, अब हश हश है. So सबसे पहले, would you like to acknowledge the wonderful, media who are here? Just a quick hello, good afternoon to everybody.
Hello everyone, thank you so much for coming. It's been a long time since I've been in this situation. Yes. And it's for since 20 years, more than 20 years. I always still get really anxious and nervous at the release time.
So this was our little bit of an icebreaker. Tanuja, they're on your side. Okay, that was a fantastic trailer. Let me start with that. But let me also tell you, as someone who's just, one of the biggest fans of Prime Video, that's what I am, right? I love, the sort of commitment to storytelling. I've been trying to get the gentleman to tell us something. Kaun, kya, kahan, kab. पता नहीं चल रहा है. So would you be able to give us a little bit more, because हम सब काफी दूर से आए हैं.
Well, honestly, right before this, I was whispering into each actor's ear what not to say. So yeah, so you're asking the director to reveal something? No. But I'll just say this, that for me, it's been a lifelong career passion to tell stories about women. And this actually is the pinnacle of that, because, to have so many women, to have a story that sort of just really unearths this female soul, and work with a cast that has a lot of women in it and crew. It's a pleasurable thing, and it's lovely. Starting right from our writer Ashish Mehta is here. The first time I met him, I was just like, okay, let's see how I like this, and then I just fell in love with it.
Wonderful. So आप नहीं बताने वाली हमें?
नहीं.
ठीक है. तो बाकियों के साथ मेरी कोशिश जारी रहेगी.
वो आप जारी रखिएगा, लेकिन I just have to mention here that Juhi couldn't make it, regretfully, because she's unwell. She was really excited to come. She and I have been talking to each other for the last 3-4 days. And she's been like, okay, tomorrow I'll feel better, but she regrets that she couldn't make it. But as you can see, she looks really exciting in the show.
Absolutely. So आप ही के series का एक line है जहाँ पर कहा जाता है कि where is the fourth musketeer? And we'll have to just apply that to this situation at this point. For right now on stage, could I please have the wonderful presence of Soha Ali Khan? Hi Soha. Shahana Goswami. And Kritika Kamra. These are the friends of each other. Woohoo! Man, your stage talent से फूटने वाला है दोस्तों. इनके साथ साथ इन्वेस्टिगेशन ऑफिसर को बुलाया जाए हमारे इस इन्वेस्टिगेटिव रूम में. गीता यानी कि करिश्मा दन्ना. Hello. And last but not the least, the mysterious lady and one of my favorites, Aisha Joga. पहले तो आप लोगों से एक गुस्ताखी करवाना चाहूंगी. हम सब ने किया. हमने आपका पोस्टर देखा सोशल मीडिया पर. मैंने भी ऐसे फिंगर अप करके मैंने लगा दिया. लेकिन अब आपकी बारी. The press, of course, is ready for a couple of shots. Would you kindly step forward?
Yeah.
Yeah, for a couple of shots, we'll let the men join us. So much. Could you please have the chairs on stage, please? Thank you. Ladies, you gotta give me more. The men are not giving me anything. The questions are coming your way. You gotta reveal something. वरना मतलब आप तो दोस्त हो ना? Let's see the chairs. It's a bit of a fun, full house on stage, I must say. In fact, Tanuja, I do want to take a minute and ask you to. You look that way for some reason.
Yes, my team. So happy, so happy. These are the people without which this would not be possible.
Fantastic. Thank you for that. Vikram, I see your chair is here. And if I might not be mistaken, thank you. Thank you so much. Chalo, I'm going to try and play this really over-eager, excited kid who wants to just know what the story is. So, all the best to you, मैं यही कहूँगी. Soha ji, मैं आपसे शुरू करना चाहूँगी. How are you feeling? We're going to get you a mic. We're going to get Soha a mic, please. Thank you.
Thank you.
So we're going to pass the mics around. Shana, the question will be for you next, just in order of mics.
Prepare yourself.
All right. So I'm just guessing, because I just watched the trailer with my friends from the media for the very first time. You seem to be playing the role of an ex-journalist. So tell us a little bit about the show. What else?
I don't want to give away too much because it is actually a crime drama and there's a lot of suspense and we don't want to reveal too much. And it's also coming out on the 22nd, which is very soon. I am playing an ex-journalist. My name is Saiba. Very exciting for me because actually I wanted to be a journalist in life. One of the many careers, a lawyer, a journalist. I'm very fond of reading and writing and investigating until my father shut down my investigative business at home because I used to go into his office and make notes and then he shut me out of the office. So I get to, you know, live my dream on screen. Yeah.
Finally.
It was very exciting and not just to play a journalist, but also just to be a part of this, because it's so raw. You know, you've just seen the promo. It's not about, you know, glamour. It's really ripping it down to the basics. And to work with Tanuja ma'am was so wonderful for me, because it was really just about the performance. All of us, you know, I think felt that. So many shots just taken on the back, taken in passing. Her mantra, feel, feel, feel. You know, we felt so much. You know, I think we just emptied ourselves into this, and it's just so wonderful to be able to share it with all of you, to see the promo, which I love, to see the trailer, which I love. Very exciting.
Thank you. Thank you for giving us so much more.
And yet, not much
And
at
yet,
all.
nothing. You know, this is great. You girls are doing a great job. I'm failing as an investigating officer. Shana, this is for you. I think it's really miraculous to have, you know, the idea of having this all-female crew. The set, I believe from production to security, everybody there was female. Was that different for you? Has it been an experience that you've been part of before?
Well, not at this scale. I would say that to have that in a big show for Amazon with so many known names, that's probably a first. I would say I've had the experience of that in smaller independent films, but the fact that हम लोग अब ये एक बड़े पैमाने पे एक normal तरीके से कर रहे हैं, वो भी एक celebration है in itself, and I'm very happy that not only is it just women, but it's very talented women. And I don't think the reason they're chosen is just because they're women, but it's because of the kind of work that they put in and what they bring. And sometimes maybe people get missed out, and here perhaps there's a little extra attention given in that direction, but with keeping in mind the show and what it requires. So that I think is been amazing. And again, like she said, it's a team of very, very diverse people. मतलब शक्लों से और अक्लों से हम सब बहुत अलग हैं, लेकिन साथ में there is just such a beautiful harmony between everybody, and it comes, I would say, top down, all the way from Amazon, from Abundancia, Tanuja ma'am. Everybody has had, all the entire team has had a certain sync and flow to it, which I think is a great sign of a well visualized project, and just great synergy and harmony and a belief in the show. I think everybody really loved the material and surrendered to whatever, you know, like they say, the script is the boss, but really the story over here was what brought everybody together.
You know, again, you're beautiful and you said so many beautiful things. लेकिन
आप
आपने
लोग थोड़ी चाहेंगे कि हम बता दें क्या है, फिर देखने का क्या मजा है?
अरे कुछ तो बता दो दीदी. सिंकिंग से याद आया.
बहुत जल्द पता चलेगा आपको 22 सितंबर
अरे यार
2222 222 नहीं 2022
222
तब हम सीजन 201 कर रहे होंगे.
All right, this is for you. I want to take the next question to Kritika. Kritika, while this show looks pretty intense, मतलब ट्रेलर तो देख के मतलब भाई बाप रे, कोई मुस्कुराया ही नहीं होगा इस सेट पे, ऐसे लग रहा है. लेकिन ऐसे तो नहीं हो सकता जब ऐसे कमाल की, जैसे कि उन्होंने कहा, this diverse set of beautiful, accomplished, gorgeous women. Talk to me about how the breaking of the ice was. मतलब आप एक दूसरे को जानते थे पहले से?
Said it yourself. These wonderful women, I didn't have to do anything.
Oh.
So Soha ko main janti thi pehle se. We worked together before, so we were friends. But you don't need to do anything to break.
वो क्या पहनती है, क्या कैसे चलती है, क्या खाती है, क्या पीती है, ये तो बता सकती हैं. किस माहौल में रहती है. और इसी सवाल का दूसरा हिस्सा, चूँकि ये आपका पहला OTT तजर्बा है, तो इसको शूट करने का तरीक़ा तो बिल्कुल अलग होता है. और पहली बार आपने जब इतनी सारी फिल्में करने के बाद में ये किया, तो क्या महसूस हुआ? जैसा कि तनुजा ने कहा कि 3 फिल्मों के बराबर हो जाता है, तो उस तजुर्बे के बारे में भी थोड़ा सा कहिए.
मुझे ये सवाल बहुत ही अच्छा लगा, बिकॉज़ ये बहुत ज़रूरी था एक्सप्रेस करना कि मुझे ये तजुर्बा फिल्मों से कैसे अलग लगा. मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि डेफिनेटली नेवर एंडिंग लगता है, क्योंकि ऐसे लगता है कि ख़त्म ही नहीं हो रहा, ख़त्म ही नहीं हो रहा। लेकिन क्योंकि ये हम 7 एपिसोड्स इसके हम शूट कर रहे हैं और एक लंबे अरसे के लिए इसकी प्रेप्स चलती हैं, तब उस टाइम जब हम फिल्में किया करते थे तो इतनी प्रेपरेशंस नहीं होती थी, और ना ही हम ये वर्कशॉप्स और ये सब कुछ साल से ही ये सब चीज़ें इतनी इंटेंसली की गई हैं, ली गई हैं। और उस टाइम सब कुछ बहुत डिफरेंट होता था। और ये करने के बाद मैं ये नहीं कहूँगी कि मुझे ऐसा लगा कि मैं कुछ डिफरेंट कर रही हूँ इन टर्म्स ऑफ शूटिंग, सेट, ये वो। इसके लिए भी मैं क्रेडिट देना चाहूँगी कि मुझे विक्रम, अबंडंशा, इनकी पूरी टीम ने इतना कंफर्टेबल फील कराया। मुझे एक भी दिन ऐसा नहीं लगा कि ये कोई OTT है या क्या है या कुछ अलग हो रहा है। मुझे ऐसा लगा कोई बहुत बड़ा प्रोजेक्ट शूट कर रही हूँ मैं। बहुत रिस्पेक्ट के साथ मेरी एंट्री हुई है इस प्रोजेक्ट में, और बहुत रिस्पेक्ट के साथ मेरा ट्रीटमेंट मुझे मिला है इसमें। और एक्टिंग, शूटिंग, वो जवाब मैं ऑलरेडी दे चुकी हूँ कि तनुजा के होते हुए देखिए कैसे होता है कि इनका भी पहला OTT डेब्यू है एज अ डायरेक्टर, मेरा भी पहला OTT डेब्यू है एज एन एक्टर। और बिकॉज ये भी फिल्मों से हैं और मैंने भी फिल्में की हैं, थोड़ा टाइम मुझे ज़रूर लगा टू अंडरस्टैंड कि ये नहीं करना, वो नहीं करना, या इसको ऐसे करेंगे। तो क्रेडिट बहुत इनको जाता है, अबंडंशा को डेफिनेटली जाता है। मुझे एक भी दिन ऐसा नहीं लगा कि मैंने बहुत लंबा गैप लेके और फिर मैं आई हूँ। सेम रिस्पेक्ट वेयर आई लेफ्ट, आई वॉज गिवन द सेम प्लेटफॉर्म, सेम रिस्पेक्ट, सेम लव, एंड आई एम रियली 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 हैप्पी। इट्स नॉट बिकॉज आई जेन्युइनली फील इट फ्रॉम माई हार्ट। मैं इसलिए नहीं कह रही क्योंकि मुझे कहना है, बट ये बहुत स्पेशल है मेरे लिए, ये सीरीज बहुत स्पेशल है।
What a beautiful question and a beautiful answer once again. Unfortunately, we might be out of time, so we'll take a last question. Yes.
कृतिका, राहुल फ्रॉम द फिल्मी चर्चा। मेरा सवाल आपसे भी है और स्टेज पे मौजूद सभी अभिनेत्रियों से कॉमन क्वेश्चन है। आयशा जी, मैम आपसे भी सवाल है, सभी मौजूद जितनी अभिनेत्री हैं सबसे कॉमन क्वेश्चन है। जब से आप लोगों की एंट्री हुई, हश हश पोज चल रहा था फोटोज़ के लिए, वीडियोज़ के लिए, हम लोग डरे नहीं, लेकिन प्रमोशन के लिए तो आपने पोजेस दिए चुप कराने का। क्या रियल लाइफ में भी कभी ज़रूरत पड़ती है, घर पे या बाहर कभी? कॉमन क्वेश्चन।
पड़ती है, मैं तो बहुत चुप कराती हूँ।
सोशल मीडिया पे भी पड़ती है।
कोई इंसिडेंट आप शेयर करना चाहेंगे कृतिका जी? बताइए कृतिका।
नहीं, मैं तो बस बोलना चाही थी, मैंने देखा है अपनी लाइफ में जब दूसरों को चुप कराना होता है तो मैं खुद चुप हो जाती हूँ, फिर उससे हेल्प हो जाता है। खुद चुप हो जाए तो सामने वाला भी चुप हो जाता है।
All right, I'm so sorry, ladies. As much as I want each of you to give us an answer, we are really out of time. So I'll have to say thank you so much. Sir, अगर वक्त होता तो जवाब क्या, आपसे बहुत सारी बातें करते। फिलहाल के लिए thank you so much. And please don't forget, ladies, gentlemen, and my friend from the press, 22 सितंबर को देखिएगा ज़रूर Hush Hush on Amazon Prime Video. We can't wait to bring this show to you. Thank you so much, ladies. Thank you so much, gentlemen. It was an absolute pleasure. Thank you.